What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the NVIDIA Control Panel is not opening on a Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here on a Google Chrome and we need to search here for the NVIDIA app download. And you have to download the NVIDIA app. The latest version should be downloaded, so just click on the download now. So as you can see, it will be downloaded here. So just going to take around 172 MB. And once you download the NVIDIA app, this is what you have to do all about. So just go over here, open your NVIDIA app, right? So once you open the NVIDIA app, we need to make sure few things in the NVIDIA app. That's very important that you have to, if any kind of drivers are up to date, we need to make few changes in it. So guys, once you successfully downloaded your NVIDIA app, all we have to do is just open your NVIDIA app. And over here you have to go to the drivers. Now at the top you can see we have options here. Over here if you check, you can see you can either set into game ready driver or studio driver. Studio driver is what I'm recommending you for the guys who is going to use it for editing purpose and all those things. For such people they can depend on the studio driver. But the game ready driver is absolutely for the gamers who love to play high-end games on the devices. So you can get this and click on the download. So it will be downloaded. So once after it's successfully downloaded, we have to install this latest version on your computer, and you have to check whether the issue is solved. Most probably after updating the latest version, the issue might be fixed up. If you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here, search for the services. You have to go over here and search here for the services. Now click on the services. Now from here you have to expand this and keep scrolling down and navigate to NVIDIA display container. So keep scrolling down. Now from here you can see we'll be having options like NVIDIA display container. So right click on this one, go to the properties, and this might be set into manually. In some case this might be either manual or disabled. Make sure this is in automatic, and also the service status should be running. It should not be stopped, it should be running. And once you cross check this, you have to go for OK. And similarly you have to go over here, NVIDIA local system container, right click on this one, go to the properties, make sure it is automatic, and also if it is running you have to stop it. Now once you stopped it, you have to start it once again, and afterwards you have to close this, right click on this one once again and go for restart. Once the restart is successfully done, you just need to close this, and most probably you will not be having this trouble. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.